Good morning, traders. Welcome to the E-mini Thunderdome. We are live. It is October 17th, 2023. It is the morning session on Tuesday. This is pure entertainment as always. We're not liable for any losses or damages to anyone's account. If you follow any of our trades, you shouldn't be following our trades. You should be doing your own homework, having your own analyzation, and then if we are correlating, chances are we are in the right direction. If you don't know CL, do not trade live until you're comfortable with CL. All right. Today I'll be doing my live streaming in about an hour, so if you have time, please join us. I will be logging out and re-logging back on a public streaming. All right, I'm already on a trade here. Disclaimer off. Having a hard time making a new high. Starting to get scared of this trade actually. It has done how many? 1, 2, 3 triple tops, and it keeps getting knocked down. They may be tricking us. It could be just a trick. So I do have some hot targets up ahead. So I have 31, then I got 37, then I got a really hot one at 87.72. The market is only up 10 ticks. So either we're going to come crashing down or we're going to go all the way to at least 64. And then if it could hot knife 64, we're going to see 72. Come on, here we go, here we go, here we go. Get me out, get me out. I am tempted to just exit here. Go, go, go. Yes. Oh, come on, come on. I'm getting out. I'm getting out. Come on, hot knife. Get me out, get me out. Get me out. Yes, hit it, hit it, hit it. Go, go. Oh my God, this is annoying. Ah, yes. Yes. All right, now, don't know if I want to move. Oh, all right. Ooh. I'm showing my trades here. So, well, okay. Well, I took a short here at the opening. Gap closure. Should have stayed on the trade because it went all the way down to 30. I re-entered the trade. I cleared. And then I left a runner. And I got out right at the low here of the RTH. I got really lucky on that one. And then I entered here. I added here. And now I just exit. And now I have a runner here. As soon as I'm done with this trade, I am going to switch to the MCL. I'm going to protect my profits here. So I'm already up. Hold on, make sure that my account's not showing. Here it goes, the pullback. So it hit both of my targets and it pulled back. Maybe I should have exited at 37. Hope I wasn't greedy. Any hoots, I'm going to move my stop to entry. All right, let me take this out. All right, what was I going to do? I forgot what I was going to do. What was I saying? I completely forgot. All right. Yes, I'm going to change to micro as soon as I'm done. Oh, I was going to. So I'm already up. So there's no way I'm going to give any of this back. So either I'm going to get stopped out here at entry or I'm going to reach my target. So I'm tempted to go and move this all the way to 65. You know what? I'm going to. Because this already, I was worried about 37 if it couldn't hot knife that. So, all right, I'm going to move it to 60. 60. If it hot knifes 72, it may want to challenge either yesterday's high or yesterday's overnight high, which is at 88.32. Look at that. Maybe I should have exited my trade. Bummer. Yeah, it may pull all the way back to at least 87.10. So we don't want to see this market go negative. We don't want to see this market go negative. All right, I think it's going to take me out here. All right, if it does again, I'm going to micro. Now, if it can't hold 87, we're going all the way down to 86.24, or my hot target to the downside is 85.95. So yesterday I sent you guys a an email about a short, and then it turned into a long. So I missed that long by 4 ticks. So I canceled. Was it 5 ticks? It was 5 ticks. So I canceled my long. I didn't want to deal with it, stay up all night. So I didn't want to chase it. And I just say, you know what? But I could have had at least, 60 points. I think I gave 86.60, and then also gave 86.90 as target. So I could have had 60, or I could have had 80. But missed it by 4 ticks, 5 ticks, so too bad. So I could have gotten up already with a smile on my face. All right. So buyers need to protect this market from going negative. Otherwise, we may see it challenge 86, 84, and then all the way down to 86.26. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. Yep. We have POC at, all right, I'm going to give this a chance here. It's a one lot. We have VWAP and POC at 87. So let's see if it wants to go and bounce off of that. But that, yeah, didn't like how that's sold off there. I mean, it should have held at 20. It should have held at this triple top here. That should have been some type of support. So, yeah, now it's a hope and a prayer here. Should have exited my 37. That was a mistake. I got greedy. That's the problem when you're already up. You think you can get a little more. This is why, you reach a certain amount, you got to turn it off. Turn it off. I would have turned it off already here at 30. I would have been gone, but I'm streaming, so I'm hanging around. But I would have left. I think I was up 1,200 or 1,500 here. I would have left. I would have said, I'm done. So having an extra $800, it is nice, but then, the longer you stay, the bigger your chance of giving it all back. So you have to control yourself. It's always best not to chance it and just walk away. All right, let's see how it deals with this. Let's see if we could hot knife this. So no icebergs and no hidden orders here at 40. So I still may have a chance here. But if you're on the downside bias, I do have, what is that? That is an ABC going south on a higher time frame, but it's not correlating with a smaller time frame. That would have been short at 15, but you have to have your stop above the high. So 15 tick stop, and first target is 84, and then all the way down to 25. So it's a higher time frame trade. I am not seeing, so higher time frames, if you see a day that's ripping, you gotta always put more weight on a higher time frame. Why? Because institutions, they don't look at a 1 minute chart. They don't even look at a 15-minute chart. They're looking at maybe a half hour, but it's mostly 1 hour, 4 hours, and dailies. That is what a professional with a big account, a prop trader, a hedge fund, a bank, they're looking at 1 hour, 4 hours, and daily. So us, it's kind of hard to have these stops of 50 points, 70 points, because on a daily, that's what your stop has got to be, even a whole point. So if you're new to crude, we have a few new guys this morning. If you are new to crude, so 87.29, that 29 is a tick, and then the 87 is a whole point. So when a institution is trading, they're doing whole points as a stop, even if they're even using stops. Okay, so I'm not seeing a lot of institutional trading right now. So a 15-minute could work, but I think it's mostly small lot traders. All right. If it comes back down, it's going to take me out. So I'm going to protect this trade. I should even just get out and just switch to micros. I'm at 2,000. Let's see if I can get a little more out of this, just so I could pay. Here we go. Just so I could pay for commission and end with 2,000 here on the big boys. All right. I'm getting out at 38. If I'm getting out early, again, I do have targets above, but yes, nice. Here we go. Boom. All right. Okay, give me a minute here. I need to go and switch all of my charts to micro. So on CL, you have micro, mini, and the big boy. This is the big boy, is $10 a tick. And then you have the E-mini. Ooh, look at that. Which is the QCL, and that is $5 a tick. And then you have the micro, which is $1 a tick. So I'm going to move to the micro. I've never traded the QCL. Maybe I should try that, but hey, $5, that's not really protecting my profits. So yeah, I think I'll stick to the MCL. All right. Oh man, I could have had. All right, we have a report coming out. All right, we just had an iceberg here. Stop. All right, we have a report coming out. What is the report? I think it's a speaker. What is it? What time is it? 7:40. Yeah, we have Fed barking speaking in 5 minutes. All right, all switched up. Okay. Oh, missed a short. Looked like there was an, yeah, on the, so they quite don't move the same. So it looked like MCL did a wave 5 and now is going down all the way to 87. Yep. So if it breaches 87 again, chances are we are done. So yeah, it shouldn't be ripping all the way down and testing 87 unless they are trying to trick us. Unless they are trying to trick us. All right, so big iceberg 113. 113. So I could have had a short at 39, target 87.02. So now it's moving, but 39 to 02. Or they may be protecting this area. All right, I'm going to take a long here. I'm going to take a long right here. Let's see if they are protecting or if we are really done with, yeah, because we shouldn't be coming back in this box again. We should be done. This should be done. And here we are inside again. So that short may be good. I'm going to cancel that long. But if it's going to hold, it should hold at 10. Otherwise, it's going to go to target. Right. If you have any questions about my charts, please send me an email. But don't ask me anything else. I need to focus on trading. This is a MCL. I am still on November. The new month switched today, but I always wait a day. I think there's still enough volume. So I don't switch until the following day. And this is a 2-minute chart. And these are 9 and 30. But I don't use these for trading. I'm not a spaghetti trader. My trading is based off of Fibonacci, Elliot wave, support and resistance, and order flow. So I'm seeing the icebergs through Bookmap. If you don't have Bookmap, you are driving blind. You need Bookmap, and then you need the add-on called TTW-TradeFinder, which will give you the icebergs and the stops. I have links and discount codes in my video description. Yeah, I can't trade without Bookmap. All right, it seems like it's trying to hold here, but that is twice that we sold off 36 points. It should have held at 15. Both of these. So we may be rejecting 87. But this is a weak low. So if this was a perfect world, we should see ourselves down at 86. Okay, we should see ourselves down at 86. All right. All right. So now we can start looking at trades again. The Fed is done. All right. He's still talking. So let's take our time here. All right. Nothing's happening. All right. There could be a short at 33. Target 05. All right. My charts froze. This only happens with the micro. Oh no, it's not frozen. All right. I'm tempted to go short here. All right, I'm going to take a short. So this happens, I have two targets. First target is going to be 05, and then I'm going to leave a runner, see if we can go all the way down to 92. But it may still want to pull back all the way to 33, so the entry may be 33. If we see 33, I may enter at 33. But it's a trade that I need a huge stop because I have to be above the high, and we still got some hot targets above. All right, here we go. Already target fill. I didn't have time to move it. Thank you. That's awesome. All right. So I already took $5 out of that one. That was a quick little snap. So if it goes to the runner, either we're going to rip all the way back up or we're going to go down to 86. I'm quite surprised that we saw these highs. Woohoo! Nice. All right. Let's see. So it could stop here. We're right at the bottom of the box. It could stop here, or we're going to go all the way down. Yeah, we have a very weak low. They may want to get challenged. I am tempted to. You know what? I'm going to protect this trade. So I'm going to, we have FIBO 76 at 22. I'm going to move my stop to 25. So I'm risking $5 to make $27. So that's an awesome trade. That's what? That is, I would say, 4.5 risk versus reward. These are the kind of trades you want to make. You know, you don't want to eat like a bird and poop like an elephant. So you want to make these big trades so you can get these big profits. You want to do the opposite. Eat like an elephant and poop like a bird. That's why most traders can't make it, because they always lose more than what they make. I am tempted to move this down to 87, but they may front run it. They may front run this and exit at 93, or it may stop at 96. So again, we're either going to go, the market is either going to stop here, maybe somewhere here, and then just bounce all the way, bounce, so in this time frame, it looks like we could be doing a wave 3 up. On a larger time frame, it looks like we finished a wave 5 and now we're doing a wave 1. So this could be wave 1 and then 2 up to go and test 17 and then crash. Yeah, we shouldn't be under 20. We shouldn't be under 20. I'm very surprised. So either they're going to go and try to fake us out here, fake out sellers, and then just come in busting. Boom. All right, let's see how it deals with 97 here. But I could be at 88. Come on, go, 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 go. I'm getting out at 97. Come on, hit it. Yes, oh, come on. I'm getting out. Yes, yes. Ha ha. a little bit over 2,100. A little bit over 2,100. Not a bad Tuesday. Made my money back yesterday. I don't know if you guys saw the video or not. So I am up Monday and Tuesday. Nice. So the only thing I don't like about MCL is that you're paying the same amount of commission as you are with the big boys. So I suggest just growing your account slowly, and once you have enough to either go to the here we are at target. Oh man, I was too tight. Too tight. Could have had an extra $10. Yeah, I either go to the QCL or to the CL. CL, if you're on an evaluation or a PA, I think it should be a 100K account. Otherwise, do MCL or CL. So most people don't understand on evaluations. They think, oh, I'm going to get 100K. I have 100K. You don't have 100K. You have the margin of 100K. I think your drawdown is what, $3,000. So all you have is what you could lose. It's not 100K. You have, I think it's $3,000. I'm not sure, but your account size is what you have to lose. So you can't trade, a big contract having $3,000 unless you're an expert. Unless you've been trading for a long time. But if you have, chances are you wouldn't be here unless you're going through a slump and you're trying to figure out what you're doing wrong, which happens. I've gone through those. All right, so we reached target on that trade. So either it's going to bounce from here and we're going to go and make new highs, but we are negative now. The market is 17 negative. It couldn't hold staying positive. So either we rip out of here or we're going down to check either the RTH low or 86. I believe we're going to see 86, but you can't trade an I believe. We need facts. So my facts is to see how it reacts in here. But it could still do a fake out and from here somewhere go all the way up to here and then boom. So, and we have to be careful that the market may just move sideways. That's how I got my ass kicked yesterday morning, because the market was sideways. I kicked my ass. I started out. Yeah, I should have switched to micro yesterday in the morning too, and I didn't think about it. Yeah, I was still on last week's profit thinking, oh man, I had a great week, and yeah. So, all right. Let's look some opportunities here. Let's see. So there could be a long here. This could be a long, but if you're going to take a long at 88, you got to have your stop underneath 65. So this, we could see it have a long from 88 all the way down to all the way up to 20. But then where are you going to put your stop? Be under leverage. If you're under leverage, you can handle that. But if you're not, you could blow your account. So always be under leveraged. Don't be in a hurry to pass evaluations. So did we get an iceberg at the high? Let me see. Yes, so we got that 113 iceberg at 37, and then we had a sell spike, and then we had another iceberg at 06. So we went pretty, yeah, we took a big dip under 8707 for that iceberg to be a buy. So I don't know. Icebergs are just a clue. You can't trade off of them. Sometimes I get lucky if it hits like a major level and I see one. And other times I've gotten my ass kicked. I think yesterday I got my ass kicked. It was a Friday. There was like a 500 one, and I went with it. And I think it was yesterday. And it was the opposite. But it was not at a major level. All right. So is it going to go in challenge? So this could be a good trade all the way to 20. So largest rips are still to the upside. So the trend is still up. The biggest rotation up was 67. All right, I'm going to take a short. I think that we may want to go and challenge I should be at 80 with the second one. Oh, it's going to take me out. All right. Looks like it's going to take me out. Yep. So it may want to go up. Wow. The spreads are huge on the MCL. So the spread between the spread between the bid and the ask are wide. So be careful if you ever put a market order, because you can get scalped anywhere between 2 to 4 ticks. So when a market has very low liquidity, you have a big spread between the bid and the ask. Like on the ES, you hardly ever get scalped because there's a lot of liquidity at every level. I'm going to give myself one more tick here, but it's not looking good. Yeah, if you're on the buy side and you didn't get in at 88, maybe you can get in. You know what? I'm going to try that. Let's see if it'll let me. Let's see. But this is an ABC in a higher time frame. So let's see if it will go. But I could be getting trapped here. This could be a trap. Yeah, it looks like it's a trap. Yep. They sold right at 13. Yeah, it looks like we're moving sideways now. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Yep. Oh, yeah. Look at that. They just sold right off with a spike at 13. And it went right through VWAP, POC, and 55 FIBO. All right, I'm giving money back here. Yeah. I got tricked. I'm on the sell side and I got tricked. All right. Whoa, a big buy order. So we need to clear 61 FIBO, which is at 06, 87.06. Yeah, I think I got tricked. Oops, didn't want to do that. Yeah, we need to hot knife this area right here. Can't hot knife this. This trade is done. Yeah, we are at a place that, wow, look at that spread. So the market is at 97. And the bid and the ask is all the way down at 90 and 92. That is insane. And now it caught up. Yeah, took me out. I got tricked. Yeah, it's coming all the way inside my box. All right, I give about $100 back with those two trades. All right, I'm gonna take my time here because it looks like we're going sideways. And the market is negative again. I'm going to look for shorts only. Longs, it will be just 10 tick scalps. But I would like to see a big rip to the downside. It needs to be larger than 67 in order for us to be on a downtrend. So, but we are at the area that it could happen. This is where it should happen from, a big old sell-off, and it could happen at any second here. Yeah, I think it's going to happen. If it hot knife 80, we're going to go all the way down to 65 or to 57. Somewhere here. But this could be a trap. They could be trapping sellers. All right, we're negative. I mean, 20 ticks is nothing on the CL. So it could just be, so we are 20 ticks negative. So that, to go move up 20 ticks, that's just a rotation. So it could be a trick, but I am on the sell. So this could actually be a short here at 80. all the way down. I'm not going to take it, but yeah, and it would be a small stop. You could have your stop. Not a recommendation, but if I was to go short at 80, I would have my stop at 91 or 92. And there it is. Yep. Good little trade. Boom, right to target. Yep. Yeah. I should have stayed on my short from here. Should have never exited. But I did have support, which I was afraid of, and that's why I exited. So I followed my rules. Even though I didn't make as much money as I wanted to, I followed my rules. I should have never taken the long, because I did say this is very unusual. The market should have held at 20. We should have never been under 20, and if we did, it should have stopped at 87. So we went from positive 40 to negative 40 now. So again, I will be doing the public live streaming in about 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave in about 10 minutes just so I could take a little break. If you have nothing to do, please join me on the public. It's a lot easier if you are subscribed to my channel and click on the little bell. You get a notification of when I go live. I'm glad I didn't have that runner all the way to 62. All right, so are we done here? And a couple of small time frames. This could be a wave 2. Right here, right? So that's wave 1, wave 2. So we could either go and challenge the high again. We're going to go and just bust out of here. Or this could be in this time frame. This could be a wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But again, I think that our low is a weak low. But there could be scalps on the pullbacks. So we may see how wave 1 all the way up to 87. But most likely it would stop like at 90. So if we go above 90, things may have changed. So 90 should be considered resistance. Bummer. So 90 is resistance. If we hot knife 90, things may have changed. So we just did a 53-point rip. If we could stop at 80 and do another 20 points, no, it already we already did 20 points up. Yeah, we already did. Yeah, we could be doing just another outside end day. Top of value, middle of the bell, bottom of value, middle of the bell. There's a lot of uncertainty in the market because of Israel. A lot of geopolitical news could just move this market in seconds. So maybe they are afraid to take a position. Right, there could be a short here. It seems like 80 is holding. So there could be a short at 73 going down to 51 or going down. I'm going to take it. Let's see, but one lot only. One lot only. So I'm going to go to the first target. 51. And if it keeps going, it's going to go and touch a tag right before we make a RTH low. So second target is 32. So again, shorts, I'm going for long targets. Longs, I'm just going to do scalp. So a scalp to me on ES is 5 or 10 points. Here I'm going for a 20-point trade. Looks like it found buyers here. I need to see a 57, otherwise this is going to go and challenge 88. Come on, show me a 57. Go, 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 go. Yes! Here we go. Hit it. Go, 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 go! Woo! All right. I'm going to get out one tick. I'm out. Nice. Nice little trade. But true target is 32 on this trade. But look at this right here. So this may act as support. They're going to be front running, trying to stop it. Not stop it, but retail mentality. It's a good area to go long. So, all right, report coming out. Stop. What do we have? Man, I got out just in time for that report. What is it? I think it's another Fed. What is it? What is it? There's something else coming out here. It is. Oh, it's U.S. weekly bill auction. This could be a market mover on the ES, but not really on crude, but you never know. If you have made profits, you have no business in sticking around unless you got really good self-control. You know, it's like a craps table or blackjack. If you got money in your pocket, you're gonna go and put a chip down. You know? unless you're looking for free drinks and you don't have any cash. Otherwise, you walk away. Put that money in your pocket and walk away. You have no business hanging around. And here we go. Looks like it's going to go to target. Yeah, I knew this was a weak low. I just knew it. Yeah, this was just too abrupt, this move here. And that's where I got out. I got lucky on that one. $32 is the target. They may start to front run here and stop at the 40s. Or stop at 35. Ooh, did it hit target? 2 ticks from target. What a nice little trade. Man, that would have been, oh my God, if that was a CL trade, that would have been $1,500 with my 3 contracts. Wow. But I should have been short from here. But hey, I'm happy that I'm getting the market right. All right, guys, I'm going to be leaving here in 2 minutes. If I don't see you, I'll see you tomorrow morning live in the Thunderdome. Otherwise, join me at about 7:30. So in about 5 minutes, going to go and grab a cup of coffee that I already made and completely forgot about. All right, if it hits target, I'm done here. I'm just going to go and end it. Buyers are trying to step in. Yep, so we went from 40 positive to negative 64. So these are the clues that, look at that, had a sell pressure. 20 didn't hold, went from positive to negative, kept on testing 87. I mean, 1 or 2 times okay, but it just kept on testing it. It tested what? Made a new high, and then it tested 87.07, and then it launched again, a new high, came all the way down to 07 again, tried to launch, couldn't make it. So yeah, these are all signs. All right, here we are. Target. All right, guys, I'm done. Oh, my God. So, true target on the downside is either my overnight, which I wanted to go long at 86.06, but I think the hot is at 86.98 or 85.98 or 85.95. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you live in the Thunderdome. Thank you.